everybody and welcome to this video. I hope you all have had a wonderful day / night, whatever time there is where you live. Anyway, I'm feeling a little tired. Oh yes, on top of this video, did you all know that nearly all animals yawn? It's one thing that's basically really is a really good feeling when you have suddenly yawned and then you wake up a little. Isn't it such a good feeling? Yes. And sometimes you want to yawn, but you can't yawn for some odd reason. I'm not having that problem right now because I managed to get stuck on the yawning. So basically what you want to do is to open and close your mouth like I'm showing this cat do. Just do it a little faster. I wanted to do a quality animation. Just do it a little faster. When you have done that long enough, you should be starting to yawn. It's a bit about what time it is, or if you're actually tired or not. I haven't tested this for an all-day thing. I'm no doctor. I don't know if this is completely accurate. It works for me oddly enough, so I don't know, maybe it works for you, maybe it doesn't. Well, this was a short video, but anyway, don't everyone love yawning? Also, please read my descriptions and well, comment down below, how many times did you yawn during this video? How many times? Tell me, I want to know. Well, yeah, bye-bye, and see y'all later. Bye-bye.